Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. You take us to godzilla. You're the me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. That's a fact. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, here are you. You're ready and you're willing. We can count on you, Scooby-Doo. I know we can't back feeling.
Watch out! Here comes the Spikes crew! Somewhere deep in the woods, some birds may probably know that everything is temporarily going to be lost, and Phoebe and Ginaldi are taking a stroll with Scooby to find the other children that are hiding around, and they like to play hide and seek. This is Steve's favorite games of all time.
Ready or not, here we come. Janet, are you hiding behind the bush?
Oh yes I am. I've watched hide and seek on Blue's Clues when we're small, but we love it.
Peep, peep, peep.
What's that? Looks like someone is lost.
I've heard a peeping sound coming from the bush. Peep, peep, peep.
What is that?
Oh my goodness. It's a baby bluebird. He's so cute. Looks like you are lost in the woods. But I don't know where your parents are. Oh wait, narrator knows to call. Hey children, we've got a problem.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, Phoebe, Janet, Scooby and I are playing hide and seek when we heard a peeping sound. Look what we found.
Oh my goodness. Is that a baby bluebird?
Oh yeah, sure. We found it behind the bush and I don't know where his parents are.
Oh no. Poor baby bluebird. We've got to help him.
This sounds like a job for children's crew.
We're here to help you, baby bluebird, to take you back home.
Here, maybe this will help you keep you warm and dry.
Peep, peep, peep.
Hey, looks like you've got newcomers. We're here to help baby bluebird. I'm AJ Gadgets.
I'm Lucita Sky.
I'm Sarah Snout.
And I'm Benny Bubbles.
Oh my gosh! I think it's the Spikes crew.
Welcome team to our universe of our home world.
Sparks crew, we need your help to bring the baby bluebird home. Can you please help us?
Of course we can help you. We'll make Mr. Sparks proud.
Oh, thanks. Why don't we look at the map and find the way for the little blue tree?
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. I'm the map, 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 I'm the map! Dora and Boots need to take the baby bird back to the little blue tree. Well, I know how to get to the little blue tree. To get to the little blue tree, you need to go past the bananas, through the cornfield, and soon you'll come to the little blue tree. Me bebe, me bebe. So here's what you tell Dora. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Say it with me. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree.
And so our adventure mystery begins. So, our heroes need to go past the bananas, through the cornfield, and soon they will come to the little blue tree to take the baby bluebird back to his mother.
Come on, baby bluebird, follow us. Let's find some clues.
A clue.
Oh, a clue. Where?
Behind you.
Oh yes. It's a clue. And it looks like a tree. Hey, we need our handy dandy notebook.
Notebook. Right. Check out our notebook as our Sparks logo on it. So let's draw a tree.
Let's draw a big, puffy shape for the leaves of the tree. A rectangle for the trunk, and there, we have a tree.
Good thing we found a tree. With one clue down, and I think we'd better find more, just to be sure.
Hey baby bluebird. Your stomach needs some food. But we'll take you to the banana trees. Look at all these bananas. These are the banana trees and they grow in hot places.
Exactly. Bananas really grow on trees, and they live on the banana farm, and they grow on trees, and they grow in the ground. Get it?
Here's your snack, baby bluebird.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
We've just passed the bananas and baby bluebird is about to eat a snack.
Peep, peep, peep.
Don't you be able to get past me, Waluigi and Dolphinus minigame.
I'll take you on, guys. After baby bluebird eats his snack, let's select a minigame.
You've stunk us in this one.
Uh-oh. Baby bluebird had to find a trash can, but a weasel scared him away.
Don't worry there, children. We'll find your friend for you. Wait right here while we look for baby bluebird. Yay, looks like baby bluebird has a peeping sound. Well, we better use our ears to find the sound for the bird.
Peep, peep, peep.
Wait. It's baby bird behind the grass. No. That is not the baby bluebird.
Do you know where the baby bluebird is hiding, Charlie?
Well, maybe, do you think the baby bluebird is behind the flowers?
Peep, peep, peep.
There you are, baby bluebird. Just don't get too scared. Next time if you see that weasel, make a scary face.
thank you for finding him, Mario and Waluigi.
No problem. Well, it's time for us to have lunch. Good luck taking care of him.